Are you facing foreclosure or financial hardship? It can feel like everything is falling apart. You might think you'll never own a home again. But trust me, that's simply not true. Depending on your situation, you may qualify again in as little as 2 to 3 years. You just need the right plan and guidance. I've helped clients just like you become homeowners again. Your next chapter starts here. DM Home now to 803-318-6412. This is Rosalind Franklin with the RMF team at KW Preferred in Columbia, South Carolina. Please visit our website